Hey everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel, where we discuss everything related to business and entrepreneurship. Today we're going to discuss an exciting topic, e-commerce. E-commerce has been multiplying over the past few years and is now a crucial part of the business world. In this video, we will explain what e-commerce is, how people use it, and share some tips on how you can start your own e-commerce business. So, let's dive in. What is e-commerce? E-commerce refers to buying and selling products and services online. It is the process of conducting business transactions through the internet. E-commerce websites, like Amazon or Shopify, are designed to allow customers to browse and purchase products online from anywhere at any time. With the help of the internet, e-commerce has made it possible for people to buy and sell products and services globally. How people use e-commerce? There are several ways people use e-commerce. Firstly, consumers use e-commerce to buy products and services online. They can browse various websites, compare prices, and choose the product that meets their needs. Secondly, businesses use e-commerce to sell their products and services online. It allows them to reach a wider audience and make sales globally. Lastly, entrepreneurs can also use e-commerce to start online businesses and sell products to customers worldwide. Tips on starting your own e-commerce business. Now that you know what e-commerce is and how people use it, let's discuss some tips on starting your own e-commerce business. Firstly, you must choose your niche, find your target audience, and conduct market research to understand your customers' needs. Secondly, you must select the right platform to set up your e-commerce website. Platforms like Shopify, WooCommerce, and Magento are great options for creating your online store. Thirdly, you must focus on branding and marketing to reach your target audience. Lastly, you must provide excellent customer service to retain your customers and build a loyal customer base. Call to action. So, if you're considering starting your own e-commerce business, now is the perfect time to start. At Simply Making Dollars today. Here have all the features you need to get started. So, what are you waiting for? Click the link below to start your free trial and create your own e-commerce business today. That's all for today's video. I hope you found it helpful and informative. E-commerce is a fantastic way to start an online business and reach customers globally. So, if you're ready to leap, follow the tips we shared in this video, and you'll be on your way to success in no time. Thank you for watching, and remember to subscribe to our channel for more exciting content.